What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to do a nice quick little midweek video. Got off work a little early, so I thought I'd make a Denver omelet. Something nice and easy, so let's check out these ingredients and get it started. Alright, so we got 3 scrambled up eggs. I lightly scrambled them up, not so they're going to be super runny, just mixed together well. We got some cheese that's about, I'd say about a 1/4 cup. And then over here we got a 1/4 cup of, what is it? Onion, red pepper, green pepper, and ham. This is some ham that we made a couple nights ago and just wanted to throw it in here. So, and then I'm gonna throw a little bit of this in there because you guys know I love my spice. So this is a local place that makes that stuff. It's some good stuff. So yeah, let's get this thing turned up. All right, we got the griddle nice and hot. We're at about 300. You know what? I'm going to turn these 3, I'm going to turn all the way low, and I'm going to leave this one on medium high. So we're good over there. Let's put a little butter. Let's get a little bit of butter over here. Put a little oil down first so we don't burn the butter. Need to make some more clarified butter, so I got to mess with all this. It just goes too fast when I make it though. Never lasts in this house. Alright. There we go. Get that stuff turned up a little bit. Now this, I'm going to start with the veggies and the ham over here. So let's go ahead and just throw that on. And the butter and oil. There you go. Alright, so we're good on that. Let's go ahead, turn it up, get it all coated nicely, sweat it out, get a nice little caramelization going. Man, it was windy outside. Alright, we're good right there. Alright, now we're just going to let that stuff heat up for, I don't know, like 4 minutes or so. Alright, so the stuff's been cooking for about 3 minutes. Let's see how we look. This ham's getting a little poppy action going on here. Well, it's scaring me. It's going to hit me in the face. Alright, we're looking pretty good with that. Let's, you know what? Oh, see, there it goes. Popping around. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. See what temperature we're working on. Alright, we're less than 400 over there. Alright. Now, let's go ahead and get these eggs down. Now I want to get the eggs, I'm going to pour the eggs so that it goes in a circle, and I'm going to use my spatula. Wow, see that? Stuff is getting crazy. Let me just cover that up with that. No, that's not going to do nothing. So I'm just going to use my spatula to go around and keep it in a circle. So let's go ahead and get that done. And then I'm going to put the cheese on and then the veggies, and we're pretty much done. Alright, see, it's trying to run, so then we go in a circle like that, kind of stop it from going too far. Yeah, the eggs are setting up nicely already. Keep going in a circle. All right, let's get some of this cheese and all this other good stuff on here. All right, so the cheese is melting. Now I'm gonna do what I guess they call it a French fold. So the American fold is when you would fold it like 1 time in half. I'm just gonna do like 2 or 3 folds. I guess that's a French fold, I don't know. So let's go ahead and start with the back. Get that folded in. Look at that nice color. Oh, it broke a little bit, no biggie. Try and flip this little side over. And then you flip the sides over. wanting to run. Come on now. There we go. Good enough. There we go. Come on. It doesn't want to fold for me. All right. There we go. Hold it right there for a second. Broke open a little bit right there. That's fine because we're going to flip this thing and keep it nice and warm. And we're going to max. So I put the cover on it to help make sure that this thing cooks all the way through. And let's see how we look. Let's give it a little flippy. Oh, baby. Man, this is gonna be some good eating. Ooh, and you guys see what that looks like. Let's get a little bite over here. Get everything. What I read, that it said that for a Denver omelet, the eggs are supposed to be more like firm and compact, I guess. But I put a little bit of milk in mine, a little bit of whole milk, and it kind of fluffs them up a little better. But I mean, this looks perfect. Oh. That tastes amazing. Get some of this Hell's habanero hot sauce. All right, let's get a little taste of this on there. Nice little side. Strong. That is good. Tell you what, I'm gonna go eat my lunch. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like what you see. So let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Open to suggestions all day, every day. Yeah, just griddle on, everybody. Appreciate you coming along. Thanks.